If you are using AI chatbot just to have a conversation or just ask simple questions that could be answered by simple Google search anyway, then you are missing important things in the AI world. In this video, we will walk through step-by-step Claude AI to write, analyze, and organize files that will help you in your daily workflow. Many users treat AI like a simple search engine rather than a collaborative working assistant. Drafting long documents in a standard chat box often leads to formatting issues and cluttered screens. Conversations quickly become hard to follow when you try to work on multi-step tasks. Generic AI responses frequently lack the specific background details or style guidelines required for your actual projects. To address this issue, let's look at the basic interface and how to adjust these settings in your Claude AI. So the first step is writing and content refinement. Type your prompt directly into the central prompt box to initiate a task. Then review the structure output, which includes formatted lists, headings, and tables. Instead of starting over if the draft is not quite right, use follow-up prompts to refine the tone, shorten the length, or adjust the context. Use the built-in copy feature or direct report options to transfer the finished text to your local application. Next, summarizing complex documents. Use the attachment icon or drag and drop to upload documents, PDFs, or spreadsheets. Ask Claude to extract key metrics, identify main takeaways, or simplify dense arguments. Keep the analysis focused specifically on the uploaded reference file rather than general web data. Next, we will look at interactive editing with artifacts. Enable the artifacts feature to open a dedicated side-by-side workspace next to your chat. Claude uses this space to generate standalone documents, templates, code, or website mockups. Highlight specific sections of the text within the artifact window to edit or improve just that part. Then, the side-by-side layout keeps your chat history clean and lets you watch updates happen in real time. Next, we will look at organizing projects with workflows. Create a project to group related chats, files, and templates into a single folder. Then upload reference materials directly into the project's knowledge base so they are accessible across multiple chat sessions. Next, set project level custom instructions to define the tone, format, and style Claude should use for every response in that folder. Next, we'll look at a real-world example to see how this works in Claude. So as an example, we will look at organizing a product launch plan for a small business. The first step would be to create a project folder. Now we can name it as New Product Launch. Then upload a customer research PDF into the project's knowledge base. Then generate a structured launch plan which automatically opens in the side-by-side artifact window. Highlight the executive summary in the artifacts and ask Claude to make it more concise. Then request a formatted table containing a sales forecast based on the data in the research PDF. There you have it. You can see Claude is not just a conversational platform where you just ask simple questions. It understands the data that you provide and it creates this impressive workflow that will save a lot of time and improves the overall workflow in your daily life. Let me know how you use Claude in your daily life and work.